Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So last week, I think it was, I left a poll on my Instagram asking if I should do this hairstyle and everyone said yes, so here it is. So for this hairstyle, I like to split my hair down the middle. So just try your best to split it evenly. And then with the mirror, I just check if it's straight in the back. Let me see. Okay, that's good enough. So after I split it down the middle, I'm just going to tie off one section. So now with just my finger, I'm going to take a section from my ear and go all the way up to kind of like the top here. And then once I have my section, I just tie this off. Okay. Alright, so this here is the section that you're going to braid. Alright, so I'm going to flip my head over and hopefully this turns out okay. Make sure you have an elastic band ready to tie off your braid when you're done. And then I'm also going to spray a little bit of hairspray. And if it helps, also have some sort of hairbrush with you. So I'm going to flip my head over and do the braid. My neck hurts. I braided my hair all the way to the end and I'm just going to tie it off with a hair elastic. Now I'm going to braid this side here and then I'm going to do the same sectioning. So just taking a section from my ear all the way up to the point here. Now that your neck is hurting from doing that, we're gonna take these down. Now we are going to work on our space buns. And for this, you're going to need 2 hair ties. I like to use black so it matches my hair a little bit better. And then also some bobby pins. So I'm going to hairspray it so it can be nice and slick. Unless you don't like it like that, I like it to be really slicked back. And I'm going to add my braid that I had with it. I like my space buns to be kind of more towards the back than towards the front of my head. So after you have all your hair gathered, you're just going to tie it off. And then I'm going to let go of my braid since I braided it all the way down. Now I can just squeeze this tighter. And we're going to do the same thing with the other side.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this, just leaving it like this.
Alright, so now we're going to do our little space buns. I like to tease my hair. Not too much though. You know how some people are like, I just like to tease it just a little bit. So after I tease it, I'm just going to do the little buns. And literally with these buns, you just do it however you like. I like this one. Just like that. If you want, you can puff it out a little more and then add some bobby pins. I think I'm gonna add some bobby pins. Yeah, because that is not cute. Add it back here. Now the same thing with the other side. I'm going to tease my hair. My hair doesn't really get tangled easily. After teasing it, I can just easily untangle it. And then basically just the same thing, just clean it up by adding some bobby pins. I think this one looks bigger than this one, so I'm just gonna add some bobby pins to it. You can shape them however you want. Add some hairspray. You can bring some strands down. You can even fix your edges. You know how some girls like to make their edges look like, I don't know, like wavy. I don't really like to do that. I just leave my edges like they are. This is the final look. It does take some practice. It always turns out different for me. Sometimes my braids aren't even, but this is what it turned out like today. So this was the hairstyle for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And just practice, practice, practice. If you don't get it on the first try, I know I practiced for so long and I still don't do it perfect, but at least I can, you know, get it there. Like at least I can finish it, you know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to your friends.